Warning: failure to read, understand, and follow all manufacturer's warnings and instructions constitutes a misuse of this product and could result in serious injury or death. Please note this video is not a replacement for the included climbing aid instructions. Always be sure to carefully read, understand, and follow all written instructions before you attempt to use this or any tree stand. If you do not have written instructions, contact Summit at 1-800-353-0634 for a complete copy. Watch this video completely. Replay any sections you don't fully understand. You'll be glad you did. If there is anything you do not fully understand, contact Summit at 1-800-353-0634. Warning: a full-body fall arrest harness system is not included with this product. However, this product is intended to be used at all times with a full-body fall arrest harness system. A full-body fall arrest harness system must be worn and connected to the tree at all times after leaving the ground when using this product. Warning: always notify someone of your hunting location in case of an emergency. Warning: when hunting from any tree stand or climbing aid, falls can occur any time after leaving the ground. Any fall can cause serious injury or death. Warning: inspect all ropes and/or straps and all ladder sections to ensure the sections are not separated prior to each use. Ensure the ground below the climbing aid is firm and level. Always place this product above a fixed position stand so that the user may step down into the stand. Warning: do not remove the warning labels from the climbing aid or the attachment cam straps. The maximum weight limit for the Vine climbing aid is 260 pounds. This limit includes you plus all clothing and/or gear that you plan on taking into the stand at any time. Do not exceed this limit. Warning: prior to each use, ensure there are no visible signs of corrosion present. There are no cracks in any tubing. There are no cracks in any welds. There are no loose weld joints. If any of the conditions stated above are not met, discontinue use of the product immediately. Warning: as with all Summit products, the Vine climbing aid is designed to fit a tree that is 8 to 20 inches in diameter. Please refer to your written instructions for a complete list of parts included with your new Vine climbing aid. If you are missing parts, please discontinue use of this product and contact Summit at 1-800-353-0634. To begin the assembly of the Vine climbing aid, grab the bottom post and one stick section. With them both laying flat on the floor or table, insert the swagged end of the bottom post into the bottom of the stick section. Position the U-shaped standoff bracket over the threaded attachment point. Once lined up, secure with two 25mm bolts with lock washers. Note: the two holes have internal threads, which do not require a lock nut. Repeat this process for all 4 stick sections. Now you are ready to assemble the attachment straps using the cam buckle straps. First, push down on the cam buckle and then insert the free end of the short strap into the buckle from underneath and run it forward. Pull the strap tight, making sure your double J hook lays flat against the loop attached to the cam buckle. Repeat this process with the 3 remaining straps. Feed the loop end of the cam buckle through the welded loop. This loop sits closest to the standoff brace on each stick section. You should insert the loop moving left to right. Bring the buckle short strap and double J hook through the loop to create a cinch knot. Your cam buckle, short strap, and double J hook should now be pulled to the right of the climbing aid. Make sure the cam buckle will lay flat against the tree. Next, begin to attach the other stick sections together. Each stick section has a swagged end that inserts into the bottom of another stick section. Ensure all standoffs, the braces that will touch the tree, are aligned. Once you have all 4 sections of the sticks and the bottom post connected, your vine climbing aid should look like this. Warning! Before proceeding, you must properly attach a full-body fall arrest harness system with lineman's belt to the tree in order to support your weight. Read, understand, and follow your full-body fall arrest harness system instructions and warnings. A full-body fall arrest harness system with lineman's belt must be used at all times when installing, removing, or using any climbing aid or fixed position tree stand. If you do not have a full-body fall arrest harness system, one should have been provided with your fixed position tree stand. Do not install or use this product. Warning! Always ensure that the U-shaped standoff brackets on each section are on the same side once assembled. Always ensure that the sections are fully slid together. Now you are ready to attach your climbing aid to the tree. You must put on your full-body fall arrest harness system with lineman's belt and use it at all times when installing, removing, and using your climbing aid and fixed position tree stand. Warning! The full-body fall arrest harness system is not included with this product, but is required for installation, removal, and use of this product. If you do not have a full-body fall arrest harness system, do not use this product. Failure to properly attach and use a full-body fall arrest harness system from the moment you leave the ground until you return to the ground could lead to serious injury or death. Select a straight, healthy tree without obstructions, branches, or limbs. With the climbing aid fully assembled and the straps hanging down freely, using 2 or more able-bodied adults, place the aid against the tree with the standoff brackets facing towards the tree. To settle the climbing aid into the ground, make sure the aid is straight and vertical. Then press your weight on the first wire rung on the bottom section. Do this until the bottom section firmly settles into the ground. Now on the bottom ladder section, wrap the cam buckle strap around the tree and hook the double J hook into the welded loop. This is the same loop you made a cinch knot with the cam buckle strap. Note, the double J hook must be attached with the flat side against the tree brace. Ensure there are no twists in the cam buckle strap. Once you have attached the bottom ladder section cam buckle strap, have the other able-bodied adult hold the ladder column straight against the tree. With your full-body fall arrest harness system on properly, use the lineman's belt and climb the bottom ladder section of the climbing aid. Stop climbing once you reach the second cam buckle strap location, and attach its cam buckle strap around the tree the same way you did the bottom section. Complete these same steps until all the cam buckle straps have been attached properly to the climbing aid. Always place your highest step so that you step down into the tree stand. Warning: do not install or otherwise use this product unless you are secured to the tree with a full-body fall arrest harness system and a lineman's belt strap. Warning: Never climb up an unsecured ladder section. Now that all your climbing aid cam buckle straps have been wrapped around the tree properly, carefully descend the tree and detach your harness from the tree only when you have firmly placed both feet on the ground. Warning: inspect all straps prior to each use. Inspect all sections to ensure they are not separated prior to each use. Warning: do not stand on or support your weight using the next unsecured climbing aid section until it has been properly tied off to the tree. Warning: inspect all sticks prior to each use for undue wear, deformity, corrosion, or other damage. Inspect all straps, webbing, and ropes for fraying, rips, tears, cuts, undue wear, or any other type of damage. Discontinue use immediately if any of this damage is present. Warning: when descending to remove the climbing aid, never loosen the strap and double J hook until you are securely standing on the section below it and attached to the tree with a full-body fall arrest harness system and a lineman's belt. Always support your weight on the climbing aid section still securely attached, and always use a lineman's belt and full-body fall arrest harness system until you are safely on the ground. After 2 weeks, it is time to take down your climbing aids. When you are prepared to take them down, attach your lineman's belt to your full-body fall arrest harness system, following your full-body fall arrest harness system instructions. Climb up the ladder sections until you reach the top cam buckle on the top section. Unhook the double J hook and allow the strap to hang down freely. Warning: never leave a climbing aid in a tree for more than 2 weeks. Weather, tree growth, vandals, and other issues could affect the integrity of the climbing aid. Store your climbing aid in a dry and safe environment. Note: one or more able adults should be holding the base of the ladder section to prevent movement in the climbing aid while removing. Once you have removed the first double J hook and using your lineman's belt, carefully descend down the tree to the next hook. Carefully unhook the double J hook. Continue this process until all the sections have been unsecured. Once you are safely on the ground and have removed your lineman's belt from your full-body fall arrest harness system, you and another able adult can then carefully lower the sections down to the ground. Remember to make sure no one is in the path of the ladder sections being lowered. Use 2 adults to help prevent the climbing aid from slamming into the ground. Slamming the climbing aid into the ground could cause damage to the columns of the climbing sections, preventing further use. Caution: before each use, look for nicks, gouges, cuts, cracks, bends, corrosion, or similar damage that can be the result of improper use or accidental damage. For instance, this could occur if someone else used the climbing aid without knowledge of its proper use, or if the climbing aid were dropped, hit by a motor vehicle, or subject to corrosive conditions, etc. Summit climbing aids have the highest structural integrity by design, material selection, and manufacturing techniques. But as the owner, only your continued maintenance and care will assure trouble-free performance. By following the next few maintenance and care tips, your Summit product will provide years of successful hunting. When not in use, store your climbing aid in a dry place to keep water from pooling inside the stand tubing. Water that is allowed to fill the stand tubing and freeze will rupture the tubing. If touch-up is required on the factory paint, use a high-quality outdoor spray paint to cover any bare metal areas that might develop over time. When moving your Summit product, packing it away or placing it in your vehicle, make sure it is securely tied down and no other objects can slide onto it or hit it. Replace all ropes, webbing, and cables every 2 years. Thank you for taking the time to read, watch, and understand the Swift Steps Climbing Aid safety video. Knowing how to use your full-body fall arrest harness system, climbing aid, and tree stand can be the difference between life and death. Remember to take the time to inspect your harness before each use. Wear your harness correctly, and never hunt without telling someone your location. Enjoy using your Summit product.